Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you what we think are the 3 best VPNs for stake. There are plenty of VPNs available on the market these days, so it's hard to make a choice. All the VPNs I'm going to talk about are reputable VPNs with a proven track record and a zero-log policy. They are all high-performing yet affordable VPNs with plenty of servers all around the world. They all allow you to access and play stake from anywhere. Note that they are all available on Windows, macOS, Android and iOS. So for us, the best VPN for stake is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a secure, reliable and fast VPN with over 3,000 servers in 94 countries. ExpressVPN comes with all the features and benefits of a premium VPN. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, lots of options. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. It's a high-performing VPN with military-grade encryption, DNS protection, and a zero-log policy, audited by PwC. Here is the app, which is pretty basic, nothing fancy here, but it does the job. By pressing this button, you can choose a country from which you want to simulate a connection. There are a lot of countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, Austria, France, Spain, Italy, Mexico, Argentina, Japan. That's 94 countries in total. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're in. Just make sure to select a country where stake is available, like Germany, Austria, or Canada for example. ExpressVPN works great to unblock stake. So, we really like ExpressVPN because our servers are very fast and it is very effective to access stake from anywhere. It's not the cheapest VPN out there, but for us, it's the best one, worth every single penny. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. Note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. Let's move on to the next VPN, CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is also a secure, reliable and fast VPN with over 9,400 servers in 91 countries. Like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost comes with all the features and benefits of a premium VPN. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, tons of options. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. It's also a high-performing VPN with military-grade encryption, DNS leak protection, and a zero-log policy. Here is the app, which is quite nice. This is a minimized version, and if I click here, we can see the full version. So you can quickly connect to a server by choosing a country here. There are a lot of countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, Austria, France, Spain, Mexico, Argentina, Japan, Russia. That's 91 countries in total. Like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost works great to unblock stake. We like CyberGhost because it's quite fast and comes with lots of settings and options that will appeal to intermediate and advanced users. It is one of the cheapest premium VPNs on the market. Great value for money. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 84% discount and 3 months free. CyberGhost comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than any other VPN. Let's move on to the next VPN, which is NordVPN. NordVPN is also a secure, reliable and fast VPN with over 5,800 servers in 60 countries. It is one of the most popular VPNs in the world. You've probably heard of it before. NordVPN comes with all the features and benefits of a premium VPN. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, lots of options. You can use it on up to 6 devices simultaneously. It's also a high-performing VPN with military-grade encryption, DNS leak protection, and a zero-log policy, audited by several audit firms. Here is the app, which is quite nice. I really like the map. So you can quickly connect to a server using the map, or from this list on the left. There are a lot of countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, Austria, France, Spain, Italy, Mexico, Argentina, Japan. That's 60 countries in total, which is less than ExpressVPN and CyberGhost, but enough for most of us. Like ExpressVPN and CyberGhost, NordVPN works great to unblock stake. We like NordVPN because it's quite easy to use, a great choice for beginners and intermediate users. It's a great all-around and affordable VPN. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of a 69% discount. Note that NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. Before concluding, a special mention to Surfshark VPN, which is also an excellent VPN and who deserves to be part of our top 3. Surfshark also comes with all the features and benefits of a premium VPN, more than 3,200 servers in 100 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, Austria, France, Mexico, Argentina, and so on. We like Surfshark because it's quite affordable and you can use it on an unlimited number of devices simultaneously. This is something very few VPNs offer. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/surf or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 2 months free. It is one of the cheapest premium VPNs on the market. Like all the VPNs we recommend, Surfshark offers a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. No matter which VPN you choose, you are making a great choice, and if in the end the VPN you have chosen is not right for you, you can request a refund, so you have absolutely nothing to lose. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know which are the best VPNs for Stake. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.